Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube lesson, and this lesson is all about the lesson number 4 in permutations and combinations chapter, which is combinations. And combinations usually is denoted by this symbol and formula. Again, n is the number of items, r is the number of spaces that we are going to fill in, and it is usually equivalent to n factorial divided by r factorial multiplied by n minus r factorial. Okay? If permutation denotes order matters, okay, in combinations, order does not matter. Okay? So how do we identify if order does not matter? Let's see the first example. Okay. A team of six swimmers is to be selected from a group of 20 swimmers. Find the number of different ways in which the team can be selected. If you are saying 6 swimmers, it's generally for those people. So you don't need to bring them in order. Okay? So you will just choose because they are all generalized as swimmers. Okay? So it doesn't matter if I make them in order or not. Okay? So this is when we are applying what we call the lesson combinations. Okay? So a team of 6 swimmers is to be selected from a group of 20 swimmers. So the number of items in here is 20. Okay? And the number of slots or spaces that I'm going to fill in is 6, consisting one team. Okay? Find the number of different ways in which the team can be selected. Okay? So if I am going to do that, I will just basically use this formula. Okay? N is 20. I'll put C. R is 6. So I'll have 20 factorial divided by R is 6 factorial multiplied by 20 minus 6 factorial. So basically you'll have 20 factorial divided by 6 factorial times 20 minus 6 is 14 factorial. Okay, so you will be having 20 times 19 times 18 times 17 times 16 times 15 times 14 factorial divided by 6 factorial 14 factorial. Okay, by the way, I will just expand immediately 6 factorial. So 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Then I'll put in 14 factorial. Remove that 14 factorial over there. Okay, let me see if I can cancel out something. So 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2. Okay, 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2, you'll have 720. So over 720, I'll have 20 times 19 times 18 times 17 times 16 times 15, you'll get 27 million 907 200. You divide it with 720, you get 38,760. Okay, this is our answer. By the way guys, in IGCSE, is it okay if we are not going to do this? Okay, it is actually okay. How? You will just write this in your calculator, 20C6. So if you are using an ordinary calculator like this, you will just basically put in 20, okay, 20, then you press shift, then the division sign, you will get the C, okay, then R is 6. You will get 38,760, which is the same as our answer. Okay, let's go to the next example. Given two different tents A and B. Okay, tent A holds 3 people and tent B holds 4 people. Find the number of ways in which 7 people can be assigned to 2 tents. So how are we going to do this? Okay, so there are 7 people that can be assigned. Okay, if you are going to put in those 3 people in the first tent, okay, so I'll have 7C3. Okay, but remember, okay, I will remove, okay, 3 people from the 7 choices. So I will only have, okay, 4 people left as my choice for the tent B. So I'll multiply that with 4C4. Okay, and remember guys, 4C4 is equivalent to 1. 7C3, let's press in 7C3. 7C3 is equivalent to 35. Okay, so the answer here is 35 times 1. So 35 times 1 is equivalent to 35. That is how easy this one is. Okay, so next example is this one. 3 coats and 2 dresses are to be selected from 9 coats and 7 dresses. Find the number of different selections that can be made. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Okay, since there are 9 coats, I will just put in the n is 9. So 9. C. How many coats do I need to select? I need to select 3. Then multiply it with, I have 7 dresses. 7C. How many dresses do I need to select? 2. Okay. 9C3 times 7C2. So 9C3 is equal to 84. Multiply by 7C2, and 7C2 is 21. 84 times 21 is equivalent to 1,764. So the answer here is 1,764.